Hello everyone! If you are cruising with kids or Royal Caribbean, this video is for you. Today, I will show you 8 free activities that kids can enjoy on the ship. These activities are included in your cruise fare, so you don't need to pay extra. Let's get started.
If you are sailing on an Oasis-class ship like Utopia of the Seas, don't miss the beautiful carousel. Kids can ride it for free as many times as they want. It's a fun ride for young children and a great place to take family photos.
Royal Caribbean has several swimming pools for families. There is a main pool where everyone can swim together. Some ships also have shallow areas for younger kids. It's a great place to cool off, have fun, and enjoy the sunshine.
For younger kids, the splash area is one of the best places on the ship. You will find water cannons, fountains, splash buckets, and small slides. Kids can run around, play in the water, and have fun for hours.
Adventure Ocean is Royal Caribbean's free kids club. Children are placed into different age groups, so they can enjoy activities with kids their own age. They can play games, make crafts, learn new things, and join fun activities. While the kids are having fun, parents can relax and enjoy some free time.
If your ship has water slides, don't forget to try them. They are fast, exciting, and one of the most popular attractions for kids. It's a great way to have fun with the whole family.
Mini golf is another free activity that kids will love. It's easy to play and fun for all ages. You can enjoy a friendly family competition while taking in the beautiful ocean views.
If your kids enjoy sports, visit the sports court. They can play basketball, pickleball, or other games depending on the ship. It's a great place to stay active and make new friends.
The rock climbing wall is one of Royal Caribbean's most popular activities. It's free to try, and all safety equipment is provided. Older kids can have fun climbing up and enjoy the beautiful ocean view at the top.
These are 8 free kids activities on Royal Caribbean. I hope this video helps you plan your family cruise. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.